I'm gonna show you how you can build the ultimate muscular physique and be the pride and glory of the muscle building community. And it doesn't matter if you're a newbie or you've been working out for as long as you can remember. You too can get the hard muscular body that you've wanted your entire life. You'll find this to be a very satisfying experience when you start to see the positive changes in your body and discover how not only will you look, but also feel even more confident of your new physique. First, let me ask you this. Do you wish for sleeve-tearing biceps and triceps that ladies would endlessly swoon over each time you flex them? Or perhaps you've always dreamt of having washboard abs for as long as you can remember, but you don't know where or how to begin. Frustrated that you can't seem to turn those baby fats into explosive muscle mass even after spending hours of blood and sweat in the gym? If your answer is yes to all of the above, then I've got something for you. Because what I have here is a game plan on how to gain heavy muscle mass that'll make you the envy among other gym goers. And in no time, you'll see just how easy it is to transform your body into a muscle building machine and be the talk of the town. This might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Consider that you're tired of spending time and effort working out in the gym. You're sick and tired of being the smaller and scrawnier one among your male peers. You've tried all the tricks in the book, but nothing worked. You have the equipment at home, but haven't gotten around to try them out yet. You're searching for bodybuilding routines that are less hardcore in nature. And there's no better time than now to start turning the tables in your favor. With your permission, I would like to introduce Muscle Gain Secrets. This is the go-to master plan for effectively putting on massive, heavy muscles. Finally, you too can get incredibly lean and toned abs just like how some of the professionals do it. You'll be the jealousy of your male peers with your perfect muscle man body and the envy of regular gym goers. When you get this game plan, here's what you can look forward to. Effectively conditioning your mindset into one that'll keep you determined and motivated to push to the end. Learn incredibly simple chest workouts with immediate results. Be the next person to gain impressive The Rock shoulders. Exploit effective muscle gaining workouts used by celebrities consistently. Are you a vegan? No problem, we have some special tricks for you. Plus, much more. At long last, you can start getting fantastic results by combining a well-planned meal with the right supplements and strict workout regimens. Here's the good news. Getting this game plan won't cost you an arm and a leg. You don't need to be an experienced bodybuilder. In fact, if you feel like you're a newbie right now, perfect. This blueprint is designed exactly for you. That said, I'll be letting go of the Muscle Gain Secrets blueprint for just the price of your morning breakfast. That's it. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the button below to secure your Muscle Gain Secrets game plan. I'm also backing my offer with a 100% satisfaction guarantee or your money back for the next 30 days. I'm willing to let this go at such an insanely low price because I want to prove my worth and value to you. So, there you have it. Click now on the order button. Do it today. You'll be glad you did.